Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my October 2020 Witch's Moon box. I'm so excited. The Keeper of Keys. So this is usually the spell for the candle. Oh my gosh, Hecate. Beautiful Book of Shadow artwork. Beautiful. Love it. Alright, let's look at this. So let's just look really quickly. The theme is Hecate, Keeper of Keys. I'd like to look at this last. My oracle card is Melting Mask. Allow your spirit self to shine through the many roles you fulfill. Very, very intriguing. Alright. The Torch of Torches, Ash, Incense. Love the container. Yerba Santa. Dandelion root. I don't know if I have any of that. Poppy seed. I don't know if I have any poppy seed. Cool, cool, cool. You got a stone here. Looks like maybe jet or something similar. Some dark grounding type stone. Crossroads. It smells delicious. Part of me thought I would open it to dust, but that's just silly. Hecate oil. You smell it. Smells good, good, good. Got a candle. It looks like it's gonna be glittery. Just because there's glitter on the tape. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at that. I love that. I have a ton of these candles built up because I'm behind, and I saw an article somewhere about putting little symbols on there to strengthen your magic, and I bought a ton of these from like a crystal shop. So I love this idea. I'm definitely going to keep that afterwards, and I love the colors, and it's very cool. So this is wrapped a little differently than usual. Ooh, heavy. So it's the triple goddess. It's a raven here. We got keys. We got like a dagger, a wolf, snake, skull. Very cool. Oops. Wow. Beautiful box. Nice and heavy. Beautiful. I could probably even fit a small deck in there. Very cool. So definitely a cool box. I'm really into it. Let's see what this says. As we walk into the sacred season of Samhain, we carry with us a deep and sinking feeling of gratitude for the many lessons that we have already learned in just these passing months. We are prepared and proactive in searching for the many answers and perceptions to questions that resonate within our current reality. During this time, we have been called to work with Hecate, inspired by and humbled by the wisdom that resides within her energies and vibrations. During a time of our deepest connection, we travel within the unveiled dark caves of past and present upon the crossroads of decision and unknown truths. In this very special and sacred collection, we work with the goddess Hecate, traveling to depths within ourselves where she may shine light and guide us towards the wonderful work of the dark half of the year. The magical items in this box are follow. Hecate Triple Goddess Cold Cast Bronze Box. We are so thrilled to be able to include such an intricate box providing such deep symbology and meaning during the Samhain season. This very specific time of year is sacred to those who are connected with witchcraft in any way or simply intuitive natural cycles and spirit connections. As we come closer to the last day of October, we start to feel more confident with our ability to connect with our ancestors, spirit guides, or those that are called to walk beside us on our path. This very year, a time of decisions and deep contemplation regarding our present circumstances and what may lie ahead, is at the forefront of our mind and spirit. We are called to work with Hecate during this time because we resonate so deeply with her absolute aspects of wisdom. It is important to know that Hecate communicates and is realized in many different ways to almost everyone. As with the most sacred, ancient, and magical practices, they are personal and resonate as something that has been created within ourselves. We connect to our own perceptions on a very personal and individualistic level. Very cool. Hecate Book of Shadows artwork, which I showed you, by A.E. Alden. So the candle, hand-rolled and anointed keeper key spell candle with a key token. It's the intention of honoring Hecate, surrounded by the essence of magic. This very special candle is for you to burn during the darkness of night while calling upon Hecate for guidance, or simply give gratitude for her protection during your ongoing search for knowledge and understanding. Placed upon this candle sits a key. We recommend removing this key, placing it near your candle as it burns. This token resembles the sacred keys that Hecate holds, only available to those that may be worthy of accepting wisdom from beyond the veil. After you have burned through the candle, place the key within your Hecate box as a symbol of recognition. Very cool. Keeper of the Keys spell candle artwork, which was the little paper here. Hecate magical anointing oil. So, intention of enhancing with your connection with energy and vibrations of Hecate. You can anoint your sanctuary or anoint candles, statuary or candles in preparation for ritual work. You can also place it on the forehead for working with Hecate. So it has anise, patchouli, jasmine, and cedarwood oils, and included mudwork and patchouli herbs. And also Lumarian quartz with a little bit of Upon Gates of Illumination magical oil from their personal cabinet. The Crossroads Sacred Salt. What's it got in it? It smells divine. Lavender, patchouli, chamomile oils, as well as lavender, dandelion, and mugwort herbs. We have also included a special mixture of our road opener magical oil from our personal cabinet of witchery. Of torches, ash, ritual incense sticks, yerba santa. So it's good for divination and trance work. Dandelion root. It's good for Samhain rituals. Poppy seed, commonly used within sachets for love. It will bring you good luck. Carry a bag of poppy seeds with you during this month to allow the stars to align in your favor as you prepare for coming rituals. Oh, black tourmaline, tumbled black tourmaline. Protect you from on your deep journeys this season. It can be very helpful, protecting you from attachments that may want to prey on those who have doubts. Personalized oracle card from the Lantern Oracle, and of course parchment paper. Very cool. I love this box. I've gotten it for quite some time, and it always has something fun and different and interesting. I don't think that they've done Hecate before. I mean, at least I cannot remember this box doing Hecate. At least in the last two years or so. But very, very cool. I don't have anything like this, and I like it very much. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon.